Hey everyone, is that all your cars? Today we've got this 2012 62 registered Kia Soul. This one's a 1.6 diesel model, automatic. It's the Quantum spec, so it's fully loaded. It's also the facelift vehicle, being a 62 plate, so you've got the revised styling with the LED DRLs and the projector headlights. We've got the gloss black trims. Really nice looking thing. It's done 77,000 miles. It's got 8 services, seven of which are all from Kia. Burton in Derby, if you wanted to check that for yourself. It's finished in a titanium silver. And it's an absolutely cracking looking car. It rides on the 18-inch alloys, which are finished in a matte silver and matte black. It's very, very, very clean. You've got your gloss black mirror trims, window surrounds, all part of the Quantum spec. It is really clean and tidy. There is a very small scuff there that's been touched in. That's about it. It's got the revised rear lights, the facelift rear lights. It's got rear parking sensors. Registration numbers there for any checks you wish to carry out. Super, super nice. We're selling quite a few of these at the moment. They're very popular. So if this does catch your eye, try not to think about it for too long, because it could sell pretty quickly. Let's show you inside. We'll start with the boot. Drop the key. There we go. So, all your boot's clean and tidy. These have got split folding rear seats. The seats do fold fairly flat. We've got your load cover, and beneath here is additional storage, as you can see there. I think this one's got a spare wheel as well under there. Yes, it has actually, I remember now seeing it. But the load area is all very clean and tidy. This one's also got the black leather, which, as you can see, is in very good condition. We've got the Isofix and also the Soul logos. Rear electric windows. Same again in the front. Really nice leather, all very clean. Minimal wear to the driver's seat and passengers. We've got folding mirrors, electric windows all round. Silver grab handles. Those of you that know will know that this is the facelift interior. So it's a slightly different steering wheel, centre console and gear lever. The steering wheel has got Bluetooth controls as well as cruise control. You don't get that on the pre-facelift. And then your standard radio controls. We've got climate control, CD, Bluetooth, MP3 player. Heated seats and your gear selector there. But let's just start the car up so you can see there are no warning lights, so there's nothing untoward about the vehicle. First start of the day, the vehicle's not been started prior to this, and as you see there, it does start without fault. Mileage of 77,930. As I mentioned, we've got the climate control, which works very well. Ice cold aircon, your CD, MP3 and radio. Also got auxiliary input according to that somewhere. Oh, just down there, look, I get auxiliary iPod USB. Bluetooth, I'm not sure how you control it. Oh, there you go, not connected, so it's in there somewhere. Start stop, or active eco mode. Bit of storage up the top there. as I mentioned, heated seats, they work really well. You got your cup holders, centre, handbooks are in the glove box, and that really is it. Quite a rare car, very rare to find with this spec. Please do give us a call on 01509 267 111. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Help us grow the channel. Cheers, guys.